Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how we can easily add our theme in Duda. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on add section, and when you're gonna have it, you want to click here on theme. Here you can choose which theme you actually like and which you would like to use. You can go like also our theme here, like this is really good, I think. And here you just want to click save. And now we have it right here. We got 4 columns. Really simple. You can replace the text, you can also change the managing director. And yep, so this is how you can actually do it. And it's really simple. So that's how you add a theme. If you'd like to add like more theme, let's just copy this one, paste here, and voila, you got it. More theme. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.